Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows Update KB5066835 KB5066128 Not Installing in Windows level in version 25H2 or 24H2. In this video, seeing before like and comment this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. In these steps, one by one follow to this problem, fix it. If you want more gaming and technical issues videos like this, subscribe our YouTube channel. Let's start the steps. First step for the services. So for that, go to the Windows search bar, then type that services. We can click to open it. Then scroll down and find Windows Update. Just click to select the Windows Update, then right click on the properties. Then if the service status stopped, just start button click here to change here running, then hit the apply and OK button click here to close it. Like that, come to back. Come and promote. So go to the Windows search bar, then type that CMD, then right click on the run as administrator. Then this command all description set, then copy to paste. First command for the SFC scan /scan now. Hit the enter. This process will take some time. So verification 100% completed only. Come to next step. I will skip it. Then go to the next step. Windows update file delete. So further go to the file X folder. Then go to the local disk C. Then find Windows folder, tap to open it, then scroll down, find software distribution, tap to open it, then select all folders, then right click on the delete button, click to all folders, delete, then come to back, then go to the next step, troubleshoot your Windows update. So go to the settings, then search bar, click to type Windows update. Hit the enter, then next below come to find and fixing problem with the Windows update, click here, then next click on it, then detecting problems, checking for pending. So this process finished, then your problems found and show there. This method finished, then perfectly running the your Windows update. So here already running perfectly. I will skip it. Thanks for watching. If you want more gaming and technical issues videos like this, subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, subscribe to comment. I give the answer. Don't forget to like and comment. This method working or not working, subscribe to comment. Thanks for watching.